So, I am Mr. Hurley.
This is Lopez.
And this is Coria.
And we are in Miss Cantrell's class, 1st and 2nd grade. Last week we talked about magnets. I showed you guys a cool trick. Who can tell me what trick I did?
The magnet trick.
Yeah, can you elaborate, Erica?
You had a paper clip, a piece of paper, and a magnet, and you showed us that because the paper was thin, you could still hold the paper clip.
Exactly. So there was something in between that magnet and that paper clip, wasn't there? Awesome. Very cool. So do you guys think that a magnet could work through other materials than a paper? Really? Why do you guys think that?
Because they're really thin.
Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Cool. We kind of changed up the IQ from last week. Last week our IQ was a little complicated. So who wants to read for me the IQ up on the board? Go ahead.
Who? Me?
Yeah, go.
Can magnets work through materials other than air?
Alrighty. So that is our IQ for the day. Let's see.
Okay, so now we are actually going to do an experiment. And what's going to happen is we are going to pass out a bag with different materials other than air. Each bag has magnets in it. And so each thing you guys are going to test. So, can you pass the bag to me? So each bag, not the top ones, has cardboard, one card, a deck of cards, a paper bag. We want you guys to hold the washcloth inside and see if the magnets stick together that way. And then also spread it out, and then a water bottle. And since you guys are doing this as a table, we want you guys to each work together. And then after we're done with our experiment, seeing what objects the magnets work through, we will discuss it as a class. So when you get your bags and your forms, you guys can go ahead and get started.
Okay, so I would say what I've said to the other groups, which is you gotta, so we've already opened our bags and we're not paying attention because we're so excited to buy our bags. And I love bag idea, by the way. Good job. So make us listen and make us repeat what you just said.
Okay.
Can you do it?
Yeah, so somebody raise your hand and tell me what we are going to be doing during our experiment today. Woo! What are we doing?
We're going to see if the magnets will work through like the washcloth and the other stuff in our bags.
Good job. Is there anything else we're going to see if it'll work through? Anybody know? The deck of cards. Plastic bottle. Is that it? Cardboard.
So what happened to you with like Ashley? I mean, do you see that? If she's not listening, she's playing with it.
Well, and like when we talked about it, like before we passed out bags, we were like, let's explain it, like get it all explained, and then pass out the bags, so they are not distracted. And then like,
good idea.
Yeah. So like because I think I was just kind of going whatever. But so then as soon as they have their bags, it's like go for it.
Yeah.
So you don't have to.
I like that.
So you don't have to be like.
So you can hold the bag and model. You could model what's in the
Yes,
bag.
that's a good idea.
Get him to repeat, and then pass on the bag. I like that.
Yeah. We'll do that.
Awesome.
Wow, that's awesome. You can do that right now. With your hand. Is it working?
So let's see.
It doesn't go through this.
What works for you guys can like write it down.
Yes, which one? No.
So the water bottle works. She likes the water bottle. She does something else when you're going to go.
Okay, so try through just the.
Oh, I thought you meant like her. Oh, you thought you meant like. Yeah, she's got her.
Pull that rag as
So when it goes through your hands.
Now let's see if that fits for you.
Wow.
So let's see. Have you guys experimented with the deck of cards yet? Alright, so let's look at the deck of cards real quick. Let's pick one card out of that bag.
Really tight.
Alright, so. Woo! Okay, let's try one card and see what happens with that.
Okay if I call you Mel. Like a mega full one.
Awesome. Okay, now let's take that whole deck of cards. Let's see. I think our magnets are a little strong, so.
A whole deck of cards.
Work for the other group. It shouldn't be. It was supposed to not work. Darn it. Okay. Well, it still works through that. Let's look at this rag here. Let's look at the rag real quick. So it sticks through just the rag, right? Let's see.
Hey, guess what? It works.
I know. I know.
So cool.
Oh, science. Okay, now can you pull that rag for me as many times as you can?
Oh my god, so much
Alright, now let's see if that can work for me. Who does it? No! Okay, so that's interesting though. So it worked for the rag and it was just really thin. It doesn't work when you fold it up. What do you think that is?
Everything but the folded.
Exactly.
Oh, God.
Out in the hall.
Right, I just saw it. So it works on everyone except when you fold it. Only if you fold it that extra time. I think it fold it just the way the picture has, then it's fine.
What I would do too is actually use less water.
So what do those objects all have in common?
I told her the water.
The ones that work.
I just wanted enough that it would actually. Because I can already smell that. Man, boy, this smells.
There we go. Perfect. Interesting.
Let's still work on that.
We're gonna have. I think we're gonna have weaker bag next time we do it.
Literally awesome. Half a bag, and I put like 8 cups of water. I do like 5 or something. Gross. Oh my gosh, I'm so gross.
It's a model. Good job, table 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, table 5. Good. Okay.
We are going to put our materials back in our bag, and we will have to talk about our observations after recess.
Okay.
We discuss it now.
We don't like. We'll try it because they explained it. Sorry.
You guys did awesome.
All right, good job. What effective teaching moves did you notice from this team?
They circulated.
Anybody? Effective teaching moves?
They circulated well.
Circulated, asked questions. What else? Courtney's group, what'd you all see?
I think they had good classroom management as far as getting everyone's attention back and everything.
all the time.
Yeah, that was good.
I thought they introduced it well, and I liked it. You could explore on your own.
Yeah.
Before they gave you
Cool.
I think it would be good though if we like showed the objects before we even started. But then they like actually know what we're talking about instead of saying like there's this, and this, especially first graders.
Yes, I agree. So maybe just pull them up.
Yeah, just show them.
I gave Melanie some ideas for how to revise your chart.
Okay.
Cool. Good.
Hey Chelsea, what's your subject?
Our what?
Your subject?
Oh, circuits. Sorry.
Do you need that for the sign poster? All right, great. We got our last group.